Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. Consumer price growth accelerated at its fastest pace this year. Inflation in Turkey hit 58.9% yearly in August, the fastest pace this year, up from about 48% in the month, according to data released Monday by the Turkish Statistical Institute. The monthly increase amounted to 9.1%. Mainly due to rising energy and food costs. Transportation costs increased 16.6% from last month, while food and non-alcoholic beverage prices increased 8.5% from July and 72.9% from July to last year. The core index, which excludes volatile food and energy prices and is considered an indicator of future inflation developments, recorded an annual increase of 64.9%. Analysts attribute the rise in inflation to the sharp fall in the pound exchange rate and recent tax increases. The Turkish currency has lost about 30% of its value this year. After years of falling interest rates, which sparked a currency crisis in late 2021 and pushed inflation to a 24-year high of 85.51% last October, Turkey's central bank shifted to more traditional economic policies earlier this year. The country has raised its benchmark rate 3 times so far, bringing it to the current 25% level, although experts say further tightening is needed, despite the lira having risen slightly since the hike. The most recent interest rate was in August. In our view, the recent rise in the pound is unlikely to cause prices to fall, but it could contribute to slower price growth for the rest of the year. We maintain our call for an inflation rate of 57% by year-end, but recognize that risks have emerged on both sides, economist Selva Bahar Bazaki told Bloomberg, commenting on the situation. Turkish Finance Minister Mehmet Şimşek warned that the fight against inflation could be prolonged. We are determined to fight inflation. We know that the fight against inflation will take time. We are in a transition period. We will do whatever is necessary, tighten monetary policy, credit policy and income policy, to control inflation and then lower it, Şimşek wrote on his X account, formerly Twitter, after the data was released. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.